All right, one of the most important factors that you're going to have to deal with, obviously, is search engine optimization, and that starts with doing all the best practices for your on-page SEO or your on-page search engine optimization. What I mean by on-page is everything that occurs on your page. So on this specific page, we need to have an accurate title tag with good keyword placement and good descriptions. We need to have a meta description that is accurate and keyword as well. Remember that your title tag and your descriptions are in effect your free ad that you're given in organic rankings in Google. So make sure that it's relevant. One of the great things about Pinnacle Card is that it's automatically going to turn your product title. It assigns a CSS class to it, making it your H1 tag, which is exactly what it should do and exactly where it needs to be right up top here. So when we're actually editing a product inside Pinnacle Cart, and we want to go back to product editing here to this specific product here, this LG 47 LX 6500. When we come down to the product title, we want to make sure that this product title, because this is going to be the title, turn into the H1 tag on our page, which is what we see right here. We need to make sure that that's got keywords in it, and we need to make sure, obviously, for all the SEO stuff, that our meta title is relevant and has the keywords in it. So if someone's typing in, LG 47 L6500, we want to come up high in the search engines for that. But in addition to that, we definitely want to come up high when someone types in, screen protector for an LG 47 6500 because they type in their model number. So we want that to be in our title tag, and then obviously here's our description. It's get your custom built screen protector for this specific product. So on these things here, what happens is when it renders the page, if you're a developer or designer, you'll be able to appreciate this. Pinnacle Card's going to obviously make this the title tag. This will become the meta title, the meta description, and then as we move forward into the product description, you'll notice we don't have a place where we can assign an H1 or an H2. So what Pinnacle Card does is, and is exactly what it should do, is it converts the title of your product here into the H1 tag. So if we look in the actual code, we can see the H1 has been assigned to the title of our product. So we want to be putting keywords in that title of our product, right? As far as when we're creating the product name up here, this is the product name that's being converted to an H1. So we want to be putting keywords in that. And then obviously this is your title tag for your SEO stuff. So it's important to know how Pinnacle Card handles H1 tags and H2s. It doesn't do any H2s on the page by default, but we can do that ourselves, right? By coming down here and going into HTML mode, and now we've got another paragraph break here. We can stick in our own H2 if we wanted to put, some sort of a new heading, and then we obviously want to put keywords in there as well. So, and then close the tag, and now we've got a new H2 tag inside the body of the page as well. So when the page builds itself and renders to the user, we're going to have a solid title tag with good keywords in it. We've got a relevant H1, and now down the page we have an H2 tag that's in there as well. So that's some basic things to know about on-page SEO when you're adding products and adding things into your cart. You can add your own H2s in here in the product description. And then Pinnacle Cart's going to, out of the box, it's going to build that H1 based on the product name and the title. So that's great. So just some, again, basic on-page SEO stuff, and I hope that was helpful.